Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I was just reading about my next walk in Britain. I'll be walking from Land's End to John o' Groats this summer. Come on, I'll tell you all about it. Land's End to John o' Groats is not a trail. It's more of a challenge. The challenge is to traverse the whole length of the island of Britain from its two extremities, Land's End on the southwestern tip of Cornwall to John o' Groats on the northeastern tip of Scotland. A choose-your-own-adventure ramble, the walker decides how to get from one point to the other. Although it's doable in less than 900 miles, if a walker wants to avoid roads and primarily stick to footpaths, the average distance is around 1,200 miles. My path will take me inland through Cornwall, Devon, and Somerset, where I will connect to the Cross Cotswolds Pathway, the Heart of England Way, the Limestone Way, the formidable Pennine Way, inland to Glasgow, up the West Highland Way, the Great Glen Way, and finally up the freshly opened John o' Groats Trail. While walkers in a hurry can complete the 1,200-mile journey in 2 months, I've allotted 3 in a bid to give myself more time to relax and explore along the way. I'll be camping most of the time. I'm hoping my loose schedule will allow me to take spontaneous detours and provide an opportunity for adventure and mischief. If you want to follow my progress, stay tuned for weekly videos and more regular updates on Facebook, Instagram, and my blog, Bucolicaholic.com. Until then, cheers!